In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Meta Business Manager in just under 5 minutes. This process is essential for those looking to manage their business presence on Meta's platforms effectively and efficiently. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Meta for Business. This is your gateway to accessing the tools Meta provides for managing business accounts and pages. Once you've found the Meta for Business homepage, go ahead and log in. You have the flexibility to log in using several methods like your email, Facebook, or Instagram account, depending on your preference and existing accounts. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen, where you will see a menu titled Accounts. Clicking on this will drop down a list of options, and from there, select Pages. This selection takes you to the section where you can oversee all of your business's page activities. Now, within the Pages section, take note of the Add button. This button is pivotal as it allows you to expand your business's reach through various options. Once you click on it, you'll be presented with 3 choices: Add a page, request access to a page, or create a new page. While each option has its own time and place, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to focus on Create a New Page. Clicking on Create a New Page prompts you to enter some fundamental details required for your new business page. This includes giving your page a name, selecting a suitable category that best represents your business, and optionally, you can add a customized action button to your page. This is a good moment to brainstorm what best encapsulates your business's mission or services offered. Take a moment to also add a concise yet engaging bio. This should clearly outline what your business does, the services you provide, or the overall purpose of the page. Your bio is often the first impression visitors will get, so make sure it's informative and appealing. Once your page details are set, proceed by clicking on the Next button. At this stage, you may be prompted to review the actions you've taken. This is a great opportunity to double-check your information and make sure everything is up to standard. If everything looks good and you feel confident with your setup, the final step is to click on Create Page. And there you have it. You have successfully added a Meta Business Manager, opening doors to countless opportunities for engaging with your target audience more effectively. Remember, managing your online presence is a continuous process. Keep your page updated with fresh content and interact with your audience to maximize engagement. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance.